Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to compress a video to a zip file on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, access to a video. We can now start this tutorial. Let's now go all the way around to the dock, go to Finder, navigate to where the video is at. We can go to Movies, go to Videos. We have two videos. As you saw in the last tutorial, we compressed two videos to a single file. Let's now compress a single video to a zip file. So what I will do is highlight, copy, close out of Finder, go to the desktop, right click and paste item, highlight the video, right click, compress. Let's now delete the video, as we do not require the video itself. Empty the bin, click on the zip file to decompress, and there we have the video. So we can delete the video and the zip file. Command delete, empty the bin. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.